Asia's largest health, fitness and bodybuilding expo held annually across major cities such as Mumbai and Delhi kick off today. IHFF serves as a premier global platform bringing together leading athletes, fitness enthusiasts, industry professionals and wellness brands. The festival features exhibitions, live competitions, product launches and seminars focused on health, nutrition and fitness. The event will continue up until 1st of June. Now, notably, IHFF is the exclusive host of the Shiru Classic Pro qualifiers and pro shows, offering Indian bodybuilders a direct pathway to the prestigious Mr. Olympia competition. Now, let's listen in to some of the voices from the event.
On the behalf of NPC Worldwide India, I'd like to call once again, we are here at one of the greatest shows on earth, IHFF, led by our legendary Manish Gandhi sir and Shiru Baji. So, as always, we are increasing in number and numbers. You can see the new exhibitors are there and the athletes are there. So, this is one step to road to Olympia. So, mission Mr. Olympia starts from here. So what we do in our background, our dignitaries on the stage, we have a stage almost around 20 states which is affiliated to NPC Worldwide India, and we conduct state championships pan-India in 2 seasons. First season we recently conducted, we have around 18 championships pan-India. So from where athletes participate and come to this prestigious stage to qualify for the Pro Card and following to the Mr. Olympia. So once again, all the best to all the athletes participating on the behalf of NPC Worldwide India and our worthy president, Mr. Om Prakash English. So, and once again, this will be the greatest show again, as always.
On behalf of IFBB President Jim Manion and Vice President Tyler Manion, I would like to say thank you to Manish Gandhi and Shiru for putting this incredible event together for the athletes all across India. It's an honor for me to return here again for I think it's the 10th time to come back to this amazing place and judge these athletes. It's an honor for me to do so. And India holds a special place in my heart. I have seen these athletes progress and continue to get better as they strive to achieve their dream of becoming an IFBB Pro, with the hopes of one day stepping on the Olympia stage. And so thank you again to Shiru and Manish, IHFF, and the entire team of NPC officials in helping these young athletes achieve that dream. We look forward to a great day of competition tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday, and I think history is going to be made this weekend as we hope to send 2 more athletes from India to the Mr. Olympic competition. Thank you so much, and good luck to all the athletes this weekend.
It is a pleasure and absolute honor to stand here in front of such a strong and inspiring community at IHFF, world's biggest health and fitness expo. So while you all were, training for IHFF, I was busy lifting chole bhature and jalebi. But after seeing such a crowd, I think I'm pretty much more inspired to take my fitness journey to a very different level. On a separate part, I think it is a very proud moment for India to be able to host an event of this standard, of this stature, and bringing in the best of inbreed talent here. I all my best wishes to all the participants here, and a heartiest congratulations to Shiru English and Manish Gandhi for pulling up such a spectacular show. At Room Rentals, we are disrupting luxury short-term rentals, and by the deep integration of technology and AI, and bringing in the best in trust, transparency, then quality fleets and ease to use. So we started Room Rentals under Room, which is India's largest e-commerce marketplace for buying and selling of used automobiles, and it's been 5 months that we launched Room Rentals under it, and for now we have 25,000 plus fleets with us in 300 plus cities, and we have 1,000 plus rental providers with us. So absolutely looking forward to meeting you all. And as I love to say that you guys are building the muscles and we've got the machines for you. So let the games begin.
मैं आप सभी को बहुत लोग मुझे प्यार से गुरुजी भी बोलते हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं मैं आज भी लर्निंग प्रोसेस में हूँ और बहुत कुछ सीख भी रहा हूँ। आज मैं शेरू पाजी के साथ खड़ा था नीचे, तो उन्होंने बताया कि शो के बारे में ही बात हो रही थी। इतना बड़ा शो हर साल आप ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो 2 बार, तो उन्होंने बताया कि मैं फिर भी चाहूँगा कि कोई दूसरा शेरू ना हो। इस बात के पीछे एक लाइन की बात है, लेकिन मुझे जो उनका पागलपन देखा इस बात के पीछे कि वो कितना पेन लेते होंगे, कितना एफर्ट होता है उनका, कितना उन्होंने अपनी फैमिली लाइफ को, अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया होगा इस शो को बड़ा करने के लिए। और शेरू पाजी, मुझे याद है जब आपका पहला शो हुआ था, आपने कहा था कि मेरा एक ड्रीम है कि इंडियन एथलीट इंडिया में रह के ही प्रो कार्ड जीते, यही रह के मिस्टर ओलंपिया के लिए भी सिलेक्शन ले और उनकी अर्निंग भी बढ़े। आज आप देख रहे हैं कितने एथलीट हमारे प्रो बन गए। आज भी कुछ एथलीट हमारे एमेच्योर एथलीट प्रो कार्ड लेंगे। और भुवन से जो शुरू हुआ था सिलसिला, उसके बाद अमित आगरे, मनोज पाटिल, आनंद, हमारे मल्टीपल एथलीट्स ओलंपिया शो के लिए क्वालिफाई कर पाए। ये सब इसमें आपका एफर्ट है और मुझे नहीं लगता जिस एनर्जी से आज आप काम कर रहे हैं, हमें अभी हाल फिलहाल किसी दूसरे शेरू की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। आप भी इस शो को हर साल और बड़ा करते रहें इसी तरीके से।